Hello. If you've just bought the Honor X6e or you're inserting a SIM card for the first time, this video will help you do it correctly on your first try. In just a couple of minutes, I'll show you how to insert a SIM card into the Honor X6e, where the SIM tray is located, how to safely remove it, and how to properly install either one or two SIM cards. You'll also see the correct way to place the SIM cards in the tray so your phone recognizes them immediately, and what to do if your SIM card isn't detected after installation, if you want to avoid damaging the SIM tray or inserting the cards incorrectly. Make sure to watch this video until the end. Let's get started.